Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share study tips and techniques to help you excel in your academics. And today we will focus on note making, a skill that's often overlooked but is crucial for effective studying. So, the good notes aren't just about copying everything from a textbook or lecture, they're about organizing information in a way that makes it easier to understand and review later. And study shows that handwritten notes improve memory and comprehension because the process forces you to actively engage with the material. So, it's not just about what you write, but how you write it. The first technique is the Cornell Method, a classic and highly structured way to take notes. It's designed to make studying and revision super efficient, and here how it works. Divide your page into three sections: a narrow column on the left, a wider column on the right, and a small section at the bottom. Use the white column to take detailed notes during your lecture or while reading. In the narrow column, write key questions or key words after you are done with the detailed notes, and finally summarize the entire page at the bottom in your own words. And this method helps you not only record detailed information but also process and review it easily during revisions. Now let's talk about highlighting. Highlighting is important because it helps you focus on key ideas and save time during revision. When you highlight, make sure to use different colors for categories like definitions, examples, or important points. Avoid overwriting, mark only what's essential. The second technique is mind mapping, which is perfect for visual learners or when you're studying complex topics. And here how it works. Start with a central idea in the middle of the page. Draw branches for each subtopic. Label these branches and connect supporting details under each. Use symbol, diagrams, or color coding to make it more interactive and visually appealing. For example, if you're studying about the Indian Constitution, the central idea could be fundamental rights with branches like key articles, landmark cases, and key features. The last method is the outline method. It's simple, clean, and ideal for textbook based subjects or theoretical topics. Here, how it works: start with the main topic as a heading, use bullet points or numbers for subtopics, indent each level for supporting detailed examples. For instance, if the topic is separation of power, your outline might look like separation of power, definition, key thinkers, and Indian context. This method is perfect for organizing your notes in a logical way, making it easier to follow and revise. Now that we have completed all three methods, let's compare them. The Cornell method is structured and great for detailed topics. Mind mapping is visual and work best for interrelated concepts. The outline method is linear and ideal for theoretical and textbook style topics. Each method has its own strengths, so choose the one that fits your learning style and the subject you are studying. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these note techniques helpful. Bye bye.